will guide you through how to set a song as your ringtone on your Android device. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So what you need to do is go and open your settings. Search for settings. Now you need to go to the sounds and vibration. Now click on ringtone. As you can see, the Samsung suggests all the audio as it has like galaxy bells, over the horizon, or you can just click on silent for now. So what you can do is, there are already a lot of audios, but what we need to do is we need to add a song, right? So for that, click on the plus button and it will take you to the sound picker. Here you can choose any music you have in your device. As I have downloaded a lot of songs in my device, I can just tap on one song and it will be set as a ringtone. As I've already selected song, costume. As you can see, I can see the song here that I tapped. Now once you select it, and that's it, you can hear it how it sounds, and you can then press done, and now when you go and get a call, that is the song that's going to be played. Thank you for watching.